is a tunnel review, guys. It's so dark. And of course, there's a light at the end of the tunnel. Yung mga kasama ko nagka-cringe na. More animals. Oh, diba? Don't you like our... What? Don't you like our video today? Maraming mga animals. By the way, welcome to this vlog. It's gonna be another beach vlog. Pero, there's more animals. But anyway, yeah, it's gonna be another beach vlog. But this time around with our cousins. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this vlog. I'm so pagod. Look. Ang bigat ng dala ko, tapos may pa isa dito, and then another one here, my goodness. Tapos, yan, laptop ko sa dad ko na pinahawak. Hi guys! So, finally, nakasettle na kami, and look at my outfit. We're about to go to the beach, but before that, let's do an outfit check first. Hi, Dale.
Hi.
Okay, so this one's my outfit. Hindi pa ako nakapang swimming cause wala lang. Ayan, there's Dale. Nasaan na yung ano mo? Toy mo?
Yeah.
You know, he brought so much toys. I mean, not so much naman. Yeah, the water gun. Anyway, here's my outfit. I'm wearing beach shoes because I don't want to feel the sand. Okay, let's go now. Tingin kayo dito. Hello to the vlog. Ooh, look. Wow, bakit ganun lang sila? Lolitan. Okay, we're finally here. Oh, meron doon parang something, oh. Like, bridge. Oh, Daddy, look. Crab. Get that. Okay, let's go na. Ah! Alam mo, reminds me of dati, pumunta kami sa beach sa Korea. Oh, do you wanna go up here? Look, there's a crab right there. This one. Rita? Okay, so yan target namin gawin. Probably jet ski. Why are you laughing? Ano yan, tingin? Ano ginagawa mo sa kanya? Masakit ba? Hello! Okay, let's go na! Let's go! Let's go! Ako lang maarte, may sapatos. Hi everyone! So, nakatapos na namin maligo. So, after namin nag-banana boat, nag-swim na kami ng sandali, and after that, umulan na. So, umuwi na kami. And right now, sinasamahan ko lang yan. Ito, cousin ko. Hey, Sean! Hello ka!
Hello.
Ayan o, sikat yan sa TikTok. So, yan, my kapatids. And of course, ako, I'm just eating. So, in a while, magdi-dinner na rin kami. And I'll see you there. Eto na, I'm gonna try it.
A few moments later.
I did it. Look at their dessert. Taho daw na ice cream. Tas ito, siguro vanilla. And then here's mine. Yeah, I ordered. Did you order? Right now we're rushing to breakfast because we're kinda late. Not so naman, pero just like a minute late. Lol! But still late. So come on, let's go. So yan, so much people eating already. Oh, you're there! They're there na pala. Okay. Today, ano bang plan natin gawin? Actually, medyo tinatamad na kami mag beach ganyan kasi yesterday was already enough. Pero tingnan na lang natin if gusto pa ng mga cousins ko. Hello guys! Ang ganda dyan. Umakyat ka na, Edie, Dan? Tristan, I will put this in the vlog. Hi.
Put it on the water.
Okay.
Video.
Dan, kanina pa nawawet ng vlog. Hi guys! So we are about to leave and look naman, ang dami ko na namang bit-bit, ang bigat-bigat. Tapos we're just waiting for the elevator. May pagkatagal ha. So yeah, yun lang naman. We're not gonna have lunch here probably. Saan ba tayo mag-lunch, Mami?
Hindi pa alam.
Ayun. So yeah, I'll see you there! This is the church and it's closed, you see. So, dyan tayo mag-picture. Ooh. Okay. Dito daw tayo mag-picture. What balloon? Oh yeah. Ano meron sa baba?
Is that a balloon or hot air?
Ah.
There, oh. Balloon. Oh, that's a normal balloon.
Hello guys! Ang mga to, di na nagsalita. Bye Sean! Pang vlog to. Last time yun na makikita yan, no? Yeah, we will see you in Canada na lang, ha? Okay.